As we grow older, people often tell us that slowing down is just part of life, that fatigue, stiffness, and forgetfulness are inevitable. But what if I told you that your body is far more powerful than you've been led to believe? That every single day you have the ability to renew, restore, and rebuild your health, starting with what you put into your body each morning. When you wake up, your body has been working all night, cleansing, repairing, and rebalancing. And what you drink first thing in the morning sets the tone for your entire day. Imagine starting each day with a drink that keeps your arteries healthy, your blood flowing freely, and your heart strong. A simple, natural tonic made from lemon, ginger, turmeric, and warm water. Nature's own way of cleansing your system and fighting inflammation. Starting each morning with a healing drink is more than just a health habit. It is a ritual of renewal that sets the rhythm for your entire day. The body works tirelessly through the night to repair tissues, balance hormones, and remove waste. When you wake up, your system is in a delicate state of transition, moving from rest to activity. And what you put into your body first thing in the morning can either support that process or slow it down. A warm, natural drink made with lemon, ginger, turmeric, and water acts as a gentle yet powerful tool to awaken your organs, stimulate circulation, and clear the pathways that keep your arteries and blood vessels strong and flexible. It's nature's way of saying good morning to your heart. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, plays a vital role in flushing toxins from the liver and blood. Its natural acidity encourages bile production, which helps your body digest fats more efficiently while maintaining a balanced pH environment. This supports cardiovascular health by reducing the buildup of plaque in the arteries and lowering oxidative stress that damages cells. Ginger, on the other hand, brings warmth and vitality. It improves circulation by gently widening blood vessels and reducing inflammation that can constrict them. The active compound gingerol not only eases pain and stiffness, but also supports heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure naturally. Turmeric, with its golden hue and anti-inflammatory power, adds the final touch. The compound curcumin within it helps prevent blood clots, reduces oxidative stress on the arterial walls, and enhances the body's ability to repair and rejuvenate tissues from within. When combined with warm water, these ingredients become easily absorbable, allowing the nutrients to reach your cells quickly. Warm water also stimulates digestion, wakes up your metabolism, and prepares the digestive system to receive nourishment throughout the day. This simple practice supports hydration after a long night of fasting and helps your blood flow smoothly, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. It's not a complicated formula or a secret remedy hidden in a pill. It's a return to simplicity, to the understanding that small, consistent actions create the greatest transformations over time. Drinking this natural tonic in the quiet of the morning creates a mindful moment of connection with your body. It encourages you to slow down, breathe, and start your day from a place of awareness rather than rush. It becomes a signal to your body that you are choosing health, choosing vitality, and choosing to age gracefully. Over time, this small act nourishes not only your arteries, but also your mindset. You begin to trust your body's ability to heal and sustain itself when given the right support. Each morning drink becomes a symbol of self-care, of appreciation for the life that flows through your veins, and of the understanding that wellness is built sip by sip, choice by choice, one peaceful morning at a time. Movement is medicine, and it remains one of the most powerful natural ways to maintain strength, vitality, and overall well-being as we age. The human body was designed to move, to bend, to stretch, and to carry us through life with grace and energy. Yet, Modern lifestyles often encourage stillness, long hours sitting, little outdoor activity, and limited physical engagement. Over time, this lack of movement slows circulation, weakens muscles, and stiffens joints, leading to fatigue, discomfort, and a loss of vitality. But the beautiful truth is that even light, consistent movement has the power to reverse much of this decline. Simple daily exercises, gentle stretching, walking, deep breathing, or even slow dancing in the kitchen awaken the body's inner intelligence, stimulating blood flow, oxygenating tissues, and promoting flexibility that keeps us feeling youthful and strong. When you move, your blood begins to circulate more efficiently, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every organ. This improved circulation benefits the heart and arteries, reducing the risk of blockages and maintaining a steady rhythm of life within the body. Muscles, when regularly engaged, remain firm and supportive, protecting the joints and improving posture. Movement also stimulates the lymphatic system, the body's natural detox mechanism, helping flush out toxins that can lead to inflammation and illness. It's not about intense workouts or pushing yourself to exhaustion. It's about consistent, intentional motion that keeps your energy flowing. For older adults, even 10 to 20 minutes of light movement in the morning or evening can dramatically enhance stamina, balance, and mood. Exercise doesn't just strengthen the body, it heals the mind. Physical movement releases endorphins, those natural feel good chemicals that elevate mood and ease stress. When you move, your brain receives more oxygen, sharpening focus and memory while reducing anxiety. It's no coincidence that people who stay active often appear more radiant and optimistic. They are literally creating their own natural medicine through motion. Gentle forms of exercise like yoga, tai chi, or slow walking outdoors also promote mindfulness. These activities allow you to connect deeply with your body, noticing how it feels, where it needs attention, and how movement brings relief. This awareness strengthens the mind-body connection, helping you make better choices for your health. Movement also keeps the aging process in check. As muscles remain active, metabolism stays steady, bones retain density, and flexibility prevents falls and injuries. It becomes a cycle of renewal. The more you move, the more energy you generate, and the stronger you feel. When movement becomes part of your daily rhythm, your body begins to crave it, and you start to experience the lightness and confidence that come with strength and freedom. Each step, stretch, or deep breath is a reminder that your body is alive and capable. It's not about perfection or performance, it's about participation in your own wellness. Movement is a language through which your body expresses gratitude for life, and when practiced daily, it becomes your most reliable form of medicine, one that heals, energizes, and sustains you from the inside out. Mindset shapes health in ways that science continues to uncover and experience continues to prove. The thoughts you think, the emotions you carry, and the beliefs you hold about yourself and your body directly influence your physical well-being. The body listens carefully to the mind's messages, responding to every feeling and intention you project. When your thoughts are filled with fear, stress, or self-doubt, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline that can raise blood pressure, weaken immunity, and inflame the arteries. But when you cultivate peace, gratitude, and optimism, your brain releases healing chemicals such as serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins that nourish your nervous system, calm your heart, and support healthy circulation. The mind and body are never separate. They are partners in the process of healing, and every thought you choose becomes a signal that shapes how your body functions. A positive mindset doesn't mean denying challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It means choosing to focus on what you can control and nurturing faith in your body's ability to recover and thrive. When you wake up with a mindset of gratitude, you train your brain to see possibilities rather than problems. This perspective lowers stress and builds resilience, allowing your body to stay in balance even in difficult circumstances. Scientific studies have shown that people who practice gratitude regularly have lower levels of inflammation, stronger immune responses, and better cardiovascular health. This is not magic, it is biology responding to emotion. Every thought carries energy, and that energy flows into every cell of your being. When you repeat negative phrases like, I'm tired, I'm old, or I can't, your body accepts those words as instructions. But when you replace them with affirmations like, I am strong, I am healing, and I am grateful for my life, your body begins to adjust to those new directions. This is how mindset becomes medicine. It's the quiet power of belief transforming biology. The heart beats more calmly, the breath becomes steadier, and even digestion improves when your mind is at peace. Cultivating a healing mindset also involves forgiveness, both toward yourself and others. Emotional tension and unresolved anger create physical tension in the body, often showing up as tight muscles, headaches, or fatigue. Letting go of old pain frees that energy for healing and renewal. A calm, forgiving mind allows blood to flow smoothly, the heart to relax, and the immune system to perform its job efficiently. Your mindset is the foundation of every healthy choice you make. It influences what you eat, how you move, how you rest, and how you respond to stress. When your thoughts align with love, patience, and self-respect, your actions naturally follow. You eat with more care, breathe with more awareness, and treat your body as a trusted friend. The greatest healing begins not with medicine, but with belief. The belief that your body is capable, your heart is resilient, and your mind is powerful enough to create health from within. True health is not found in pills, quick fixes, or temporary diets. It is built slowly through natural habits that honor the body's wisdom and rhythm. In a world that constantly promotes instant results, we've been taught to look for shortcuts, a new supplement, a trendy detox, or a miracle treatment that promises to erase years of imbalance overnight. But real healing doesn't work that way. The body thrives on consistency, not intensity, and the most powerful medicine is often found in simple, everyday choices. Natural habits, such as eating whole foods, staying hydrated, getting sunlight, resting well, and maintaining emotional balance, nourish the body in ways that no synthetic remedy can replace. These habits may seem small, but they create long-term stability, strengthening every organ, cleansing every cell, and aligning your body with its natural ability to heal itself. When you eat foods that come from nature, fresh fruits, vegetables, grains, seeds, and herbs, you provide your body with the raw materials it needs to repair and renew. Each bite sends energy, vitamins, and enzymes into your bloodstream, supporting digestion, heart health, and circulation. Unlike processed foods that burden the system, natural foods communicate clearly with your body, saying, I am nourishment. Water, too, is essential. Staying hydrated keeps the blood thin and flowing freely, helping the heart do its job with ease, while flushing out toxins that would otherwise slow your healing. These simple actions create a foundation that no medication can fully replicate. Natural habits also extend beyond food. Gentle movement, restful sleep, and time in nature all support the body's self-regulating systems. A short walk after meals aids digestion, improves insulin sensitivity, and supports cardiovascular health. Sleep allows the body to repair tissues, balance hormones, and clear waste from the brain. Sunlight in moderate doses boosts vitamin D levels, strengthens bones, and elevates mood. These are not luxuries. They are biological necessities. When practiced regularly, they build a strong and resilient body that rarely falls ill. The beauty of natural habits lies in their simplicity and accessibility. They don't require expensive products or complex routines, only awareness and consistency. The body responds beautifully when it is treated with patience and respect. Unlike quick fixes that may offer temporary relief while masking deeper problems, natural approaches work with the body instead of against it. They target the root cause of imbalance, allowing true healing to take place over time. Equally important is the emotional and spiritual nourishment that comes from living in harmony with nature's laws. When you slow down, eat mindfully, breathe deeply, and move with purpose, you begin to experience health as a natural state rather than a goal to chase. You feel more connected to your body and more in control of your well-being. The power to heal has always been within you, waiting to be awakened through consistent natural habits that bring the body, mind, and spirit back into balance, where lasting wellness truly begins. Aging is a natural part of life, but how we experience it depends greatly on the choices we make and the attitude we hold toward it. When we begin to see aging not as a decline, but as a transformation, a season of wisdom, grace, and strength, we open the door to a new kind of vitality. The belief that getting older means becoming weaker or less capable is one of the greatest myths of modern times. In truth, the body remains remarkably adaptable at every age. With mindful care, proper nourishment, gentle movement, and a positive outlook, it's entirely possible to stay vibrant, energetic, and strong well into later years. Aging becomes something to celebrate, a time when we finally understand how to live in harmony with ourselves rather than in a constant rush against time. Every year adds to our understanding of what the body needs and how it communicates. As we grow older, the body asks for deeper nourishment, not restriction. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, herbs, and clean water keep our cells thriving and protect our arteries and heart. These foods provide antioxidants that fight inflammation and slow cellular damage, allowing skin to glow, joints to remain flexible, and the brain to stay sharp. When we feed ourselves with intention rather than impulse, we begin to feel renewed from the inside out. Food becomes not just fuel, but a form of self-respect, a way of telling the body, you are worth caring for. Movement continues to be a key ingredient in preserving vitality. Regular walking, stretching, or light resistance exercises help maintain muscle tone, improve balance, and enhance blood circulation, all of which reduce the risk of disease and promote emotional stability. Movement keeps energy flowing, supports mental clarity, and strengthens confidence. It is not about intensity, but consistency. Each step, each stretch, each breath is a promise to the body that we are not giving up on it. Just as the body thrives on movement, the mind flourishes with purpose and gratitude. A positive mindset shifts how we experience aging. When we focus on what still works, on the things we can still enjoy and create, life becomes fuller and lighter. Gratitude slows the aging of the heart. While negativity accelerates fatigue and illness, the thoughts we nurture each day either age us or renew us. Choosing optimism keeps the nervous system calm, lowers stress hormones, and supports the body's healing process. Aging gracefully is not about avoiding the years, but embracing them with strength and serenity. It's about understanding that beauty doesn't fade. It changes form. The lines on our faces tell stories of laughter, growth, and survival. Every heartbeat, every breath, and every moment of awareness is proof that we are still here, still capable of giving, learning, and thriving. When we see aging as a privilege rather than a burden, life becomes richer, more peaceful, and infinitely more beautiful.